Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we're gonna do some cooking. We're gonna make some dinner. So I'm gonna be making BLTs. Well, BLT for Jacob and kind of BLT. Whatever, sandwich with bacon on it. Lettuce boat ones for me. Then he's gonna have mac and cheese, and I'm gonna make a Asian vegetable noodle salad. So let's do it. First I'm gonna boil some eggs for my salad. So now I'm gonna make, well, that's cooking, fruit popsicles for dessert. Hopefully they'll be done, who knows. If they're not done, I'll eat them tomorrow. So we're gonna use coconut milk. We're putting all the ingredients in my little tiny food processor because I don't have a blender. I'm gonna do 3/4 cup of the coconut milk. I never made any of this, well, besides the BLTs and mac and cheese before, so I don't know if it's good or not, so we will see together. I didn't stir the milk because I want mostly just the cream, so now all the oil is pretty much left in the can. You can't see because I will spill. And I'm making a mess. Bacon's kind of loud. Okay, what else do we want in here? 1 teaspoon of sweetener. So I'm using this off-brand. And 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 1/4 cup of strawberries. I have frozen strawberries. Not a huge fan of eating frozen strawberries, but I love frozen blueberries and frozen blackberries and raspberries, but right now I'm like obsessed with frozen blueberries. I like to eat them frozen or partially frozen. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I mean 1 tablespoon. I love the smell of lime. Always thinks it needs to focus on my face. Hopefully this tastes like a tropical vacation with lime, coconut, and strawberry. In a blender. Here's my concoction. Looks like a parfait. Smoothie looking like. I gotta put my eggs in the water. This is gonna make a mess. Oh, that was a big chunk. Whoops. I didn't fill them up very good. This one's overflowing, this one has barely any. That tastes really good. I'm very excited. Oh my word, I just got it on my boob. I'm gonna shove these in the freezer. Okay, it says to boil some asparagus, but I don't want to, so I'm gonna fry. These are so skinny little tiny babies. Them in a little tiny pan with some of my bacon grease, because that's what I want to do. Now I'm gonna cut up the rest of my vegetables. This is Jacob's favorite mac and cheese, so this is what he's getting for his side. Personally, I like homemade mac and cheese better, but he's a weirdo. Let's do assembling. This is the bread I'm using for Jacob. He's just gonna have one because he has mac and cheese. And we're doing it like a melt. I'm grilling it. So we're gonna take our mayo. This is the outside instead of butter. Garlic, salt, or not salt, just garlic powder. Slap it into my pan. And we're using the same pan that I made the bacon in. So it'll get a little more bacon flavor to it. Mayo. Chipotle aioli. Jacob likes a bunch of random sauces all together. Mustard. Pepper jack cheese. Chicken breast. And the bacon. Jacob's dinner. Check. Now we're gonna assemble my lettuce wrap BLTs. These are the lettuce that I'm gonna use. I thought they were more boaty, but they're small little tiny babies. Oh well. Mayo. Dude, you're the loudest person in the world. You're making all the sounds. See? All the sounds. I'm gonna use a garlic.
Catch me outside, how about that?
No. Garlic aoli mustard. Ah! Why is all my sauces pooping out? A little bit of garlic. Dude! Pickled jalapeños. I like the tamed heat because then I can eat a million of them. And I'm not very good with hot stuff because I have stomach problems. But I love jalapeños. Tomato. Bacon. I'm gonna do 1.5 on each. This might be too much food. Noodle salad assembly. Noodles, cilantro. Now that it's super loud in here, sorry. Oh, I forgot my onions on my BLTs. Diced tomato, sliced onion, cucumber, asparagus, minced garlic, soy sauce, fish sauce. How do I get this out of here? So slow. Sesame oil. Let's do a little bit more. And lemon juice. Let's see how well I did cooking this. Oh, yeah, perfect. Look at that. She's beautiful.
Much deliciousness in the food.
Finally, the taste test. I've never made this salad before, or noodle salad. So it smells amazing. But we shall see. Gotta get a little bit of everything on there. Come on. Stick to my fork. Do I have onion on there? Yes. The bite. Mmm. Ooh, that's good. I do have a strange, not strange, but unique, unique palate. That is so fresh. Honestly, it tastes exactly how you would imagine it tastes if you've eaten any Asian type food. The sesame oil and the cucumbers coming through, so good. Honestly, it's better than I thought. These noodles, if you've used these kind before, did I show you what kind of noodles I use? Pasta Zero. They're always like questionable on texture, but like this, it's like perfect for that. Okay, let's try this wrap. I think I have way too much food. You can always save your leftovers. If I can even pick this up. This is gonna be messy. Cheers. Yum! That is so good. The jalapeños and the mustard with the bacon. Oh, so good. If you never had a BLT with jalapeños,
bacon's the best. That's all.
If you never had a BLT with bacon, I mean,
You'd have a B. You have an LT.
if you never had a BLT with jalapeños and mustard, you're missing out. Delicious! My popsicles are done, so I'm going to do a little taste test with you. It actually does taste like a tropical vacation. The lime and the coconut and the strawberry tastes like lemon berry cream slush from Sonic, if you ever had that. It is a little icy though. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? Can you tell? No. Okay. Okay, well that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go finish my dinner. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for... Wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.
You take me